This is what your main portal looks like, your screen. For Sandcastle inspection, here are some of the instructions. So they give you great detail of what they'll need for you to do. So don't get nervous about signing up. They will give you in your email the instructions of what they want you to do. And if you have any questions, you can always call or email them for additional questions. Each inspection requires a certain amount of photos. So if you're not quite sure, just open up that email attachment, go into the portal, and you'll see exactly how many photos are required for each assignment that you accept. So you'll know that you made sure that you've taken all the required pictures, so you don't have to go back, because they don't pay you to go back. They only pay you to go out there one time. And it's also based off of your the inspection that you took. This is a commercial inspection, so I'm only getting paid to go out one time, so I got to make sure I get it right. So here go a list of the photos they want me to take. Everything is done on your phone in the app, so there's no additional things you need to print off or anything like that.